Hey there. I'm your host Simon. Welcome to Project Serve. We are here this evening with a spokesperson for the Saskatoon Food Basket Challenge. How are you this evening?
I am great. It's great to be here, Simon.
Wonderful. Now, what exactly is the Food Basket Challenge?
Well, Simon, for 1 week several high-profile people in Saskatoon will attempt to live off a food basket from the Saskatoon Food Bank and Learning Centre. Over the week they will share their thoughts and experiences online.
Interesting. What exactly are these high-profile people trying to achieve?
The Food Basket Challenge aims to foster a dialogue about poverty in our community. We are also looking to strengthen the relationships between people who have, and are, experiencing poverty, and those who have been unaffected. We are not pushing any specific agenda or policy. We understand that there are multiple strategies for ending poverty. We are looking to create a discussion to see what works.
Interesting. Now, what exactly will the participants eat?
Participants will receive a standard food basket from the Saskatoon Food Bank and Learning Centre. Food baskets typically consist of 2 to 3 days of food, although in reality many who rely on food baskets must make them last for 1 or 2 weeks. The challenge is to exist for up to 1 week using the food provided in the food basket, as well as up to 5 basic pantry items: flour, sugar, coffee, etc., and $5 to supplement the food basket for the week. Participants will not eat out or accept free food or drink. To make their food supplies last longer, the participants are welcome to use community meal programs, like soup kitchens.
Jolly good. But how can people understand poverty after just 1 week living off a food basket?
Poverty is a complex issue. People cannot understand hunger or poverty by living off a food basket for 1 week. Challenge participants can go back to their regular lives at any time. People living in poverty don't have that choice. We recognize the limitations of this challenge but hope it will deepen the relationship between those who possess the lived experience of poverty and those who do not.
Doesn't this challenge take food away from the people who really need it? Where are these extra food baskets coming from?
No, funds have been donated for the specific purpose of replenishing the food used in the challenge.
Wow! What an interesting challenge. Can we have a round of applause for our Food Basket Challenge Insider? You can check out the Food Basket Challenge website at http://foodbankchallenge.com. Now, before we wrap things up for the evening, I have one last question.
Yes?
Will you go out to supper with me sometime?
No.